Hello, this is Liz Miller, and this is my Project 5 process review. Um, to start off with, to recap, my app's description is it's called What's in Stock, and it's an inventory query app that lets the users search for specific products to see what is in stock at which of the three locations for Matt's supply store. Um, so over here on the right, we have some lovely hand-drawn pictures. Um, there are going to be two ways to search, either using a search term or by drilling down into the different categories of supplies that are carried. Um, if you're entering a search term, you can enter an alphanumeric term like pencils. You can enter a UPC code or Matt's proprietary stock code in this field here, and pressing enter or return on the keyboard down here will kick off the search. If you're drilling down through the categories, you just continue drilling until you get to a list of search results. And in this case, it would take us, I'm guessing, I'm just saying it, start with office supplies, then go to pens, pencils, and markers, and then to pencils directly to weed out the pens and the markers. So this is what the landing page would look like. I'm not 100% sure if I would combine these, or I probably would combine them. You wouldn't have a keyboard if you were searching using the categories, and the search box would probably be above these categories. I broke it out just because that's how my brain was thinking about it today. This probably would be combined on one screen. So once the user searches for something, a connection to the database is made. This app is only going to work when they're connected. There's not going to be any stored offline inventory record stored in the user's phone. So once they connect and perform a search, they'll get a result screen, and it'll tell them at the top that this is the term that you searched for, and it will give you a list of things that match your term. The more specific, the shorter the list. Just kind of standard search results there. So we've got Ticonderoga pencils, we've got a price, and I can see at locations X, Y, and Z there are 5 at location X, 1 at location Y, and 2 at location Z. We've got Dixon golf pencils, we've got paper mechanical pencils. The prices are made up, the quantities are made up. This is just to give you an idea. Crayola colored pencils, they're out of stock in location X, and this says due 11/7. That's the day they expect to have them in stock again. So once the user reaches this page, they can either stop, close the app, and go to whichever location is closest to them and purchase the product. Or if they want more details or they can't get there right at this moment, they can click on a row of product information and it will take them to a detail screen. And the details are this is if we clicked on that first row, here's my Ticonderoga pencils, box of 18, my price, my locations, which have the address and hours listed right there so I don't have to go look them up someplace else. I have 5 in stock at location X, 1 in location Y, and 2 in location Z. I also get a detailed description, like what color are they? Is it a paper box? Is it, I don't know what else you could say about pencils, how hard the lead is, are there erasers on them? And down here at the bottom, there is a request product hold button that would cause this little piece here to pop up. And the user can type in their name and their phone number. They pick their location out of a scrolling list. And I just realized that one piece is missing here. I think I'd need to say how many they want to have held, if it's just one package or 5 boxes of pencils, I would need to go back and add that. But name, phone number, where they're going to pick it up, and if they're going to pick it up today or tomorrow, or if, oops, they clicked on this and they don't want it, they can click this cancel button and go back. And kind of going backwards from here, once they get to the screen, again, they can either request the hold or they're done. Close the app, go to the store, pick up their item. Say they need to search for something else. They can either go back if it was on this previous page. Maybe they need to know about mechanical pencils or colored pencils as well. Or maybe they need something completely different like ink and toner. They can click here on this, sorry, that's my dog. Click here on the home and search button. It would take them back to the beginning where they could search for a new term. I apologize, my dog thinks she wants to go outside right now. So, that's the app. It's very simple. There's no purchasing online. Let me scroll down. The main features of my app are there's really two ways to search, and one way involves three different types of a search: alphanumeric, a UPC code, or a proprietary stock code, or drilling down through these categories. Search results are in a list format with a real-time count of what is in stock at each location. This is the results, and then the same location information is also available on the detail page. I don't have to click off to another page to find out how many are there. Inventory count will be decremented with the point of sale system. So if somebody else comes in and buys a package of pencils at address X, the count will drop to 4. When new stock is placed on the shelf, the count goes up. So if they got 5 new boxes of pencils, this would increment up to 10. Products on order, we talked about that already. Let's see. So this product, these colored pencils are on order at location X, and they should be there on the 7th. And placing a product on hold, we looked at that also. It's just a little pop-up that sends a message to the store. Have not worked out exactly what the message will be. If it appears as an email to a monitored email box or text message, or haven't worked that out, still thinking about exactly how they want to receive that, and maybe that's the customer's decision. They can choose, not the customer, the client's decision. Matt of Matt's Supply Store maybe chooses how he wants to get those updates. And that's it. Outside of the app is searching using like a QR code capture or a photo of a UPC barcode. There's no searching for products that are not normally in stock. So special order items, they'd still need to go to the store and speak with someone to talk about something that they never have in stock. And loyalty program, they have a loyalty program. It is not connected online to this inventory check piece. So that is the process that I see for my app. Thanks for watching.